TAC Manchester 2016. We're a couple of hours away from the end now, and with me I've got Fool's Code. Let's see who they are and where they're from. Can you tell me your name and where your team is from?
Yep, I'm Ollie. I'm from Manchester.
I'm Camilo. I'm from Poland originally.
Yeah.
Chris from Oswestry in Shropshire.
And how do you know each other, guys?
We used to work together. We just mates up.
And you've got a team member who's missing at the moment.
Yeah, Chris from Liverpool. Yeah, don't know where he's gone.
So what challenge have you been working on and what have you been doing?
We're working on the eVesta challenge.
Sure.
So we kind of took a breathalyzer and a two-factor authentication device and stuck them together. So the idea is that in order to sign into an investment platform, you have to be really drunk, and it only unlocks the really high-risk investment opportunities when you're smashed.
When you smash, yeah.
Completely smashed.
Have you got a breathalyzer here then that you've been using?
Yeah. So
Oh, that's one there.
Yeah. So
And what part do you blow into on?
you just like blow onto the silver
Oh,
gauze.
that's a little sensor there, yeah. So obviously this would be in a case as a smart
Yeah, it'd
device.
have to be like a chamber to collect the gas.
And what have you been working on then?
so we've been trying to get.
Oh, by the way, I really like that idea. I think that's a great idea. Yes, what have you been working on?
We've been trying to get the hardware going for the last, since yesterday, but we're struggling to kind of connect everything together. So the idea is that you'd get a QR code when you register your account, which you point this camera at.
Yeah.
That then gets a secret onto the device, and then anytime you blow a reading, it uses that secret to encrypt the reading and then put out an 8-character code on here.
You type in the 8-character code.
You type in 8-character code.
So
and that's
isn't this a bit contradictory? Because by the time you're drunk enough to do the best investments, you're probably not drunk enough. You're probably not sober enough to put the 8-digit code in.
This is what we thought. So initially it was quite long. It's why we brought it down to 8 characters.
Yeah,
So
that's the same as the
easy
Barclays
as you
have
can.
on their
Yeah.
pin century thing as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what's been your biggest challenge then with the hardware, just getting it working together?
Yeah.
What hardware have you got here? Is that
That's a BeagleBone Black. This is just the gas sensor.
Yeah.
Normal webcam.
and what's this thing down here?
That's a Teensy and that is the Teensy and a Grove RGB backlight component. So just an off-the-shelf module.
And this is?
That's an Intel Edison. It's
And what's that doing?
That's the most over-engineered way to drive this LCD screen. So
I was going to say, I was wondering what it was doing. It was just okay. That's
yeah,
fine.
so it went a bit wrong. Initially, we were going to drive everything from one device. That we couldn't interface that with that. So then we tried to interface it with this, which it's designed to work with, but we kind of blew this up.
And what's that?
That's I think now it's a Arduino MKR1000.
Yeah.
So it's like a freebie board.
And it's now slightly fried.
It's now slightly fried. We let out the magic smoke.
You attached the wrong things to the wrong pins.
Potentially, yeah. So large plume of smoke came out the top of it, so we've only had a minor fire. So then we tried moving to this.
What was the rule 1 here?
Rule 1? Oh, no soldering. We didn't solder anything.
No, it's don't set yourself on fire. That's the rule.
Yeah, cool. It's only a minor fire. So yeah, then we tried to move to this, which didn't work, and then we tried to move to this, which also isn't working for various different reasons.
And what are you working on? Some graphics here?
Basically front end, so the whole web service for that. Chris was working on the back end. I'm basically doing the UI for the web app.
You need some coins falling out of his pocket here.
Actually, that works.
Like a little bin there, and coins just falling out into the bin.
Doesn't need idea. But yeah, I mean, the idea is you'll be able to sign and register basically to the platform.
Oh, you've got it working.
You sign in, you put some code in, which will be on the device. And once you verify that, you'll be, for example, 50% drunk, and then you'll be able to invest in some crazy stuff, basically.
I like those lines on the investment.
That's the idea.
And you need
basically.
to make up some fake investments to put in there.
We will see what we can do today.
Excellent, thank you very much.
Nice one.
Right, okay, Fool's Code. It's been nice chatting with you. I'll leave it there. Thank you very much. Cheers.